Today we have to see how to enable push notification in CiyaShop Android application. Click on Go to Console. Open Firebase Console and log into it. After login, it is your Firebase Console. Open project in which you have done in Firebase setup for application. It is your project console for Firebase. Open Settings. Click on Cloud Messaging. Here you can check your server key. Copy server key of your project. Open your store's admin panel and log into it. Now open API settings. Open Push Notification tab. In Push Notification tab, go to Android Legacy Serve Key. Paste copied server key into Android Legacy Server Key in Admin. Click on Update button on the top of plugin. Setup of Android notification in CiyaShop Android is done. Now we can check how to send push notification in CiyaShop application. Go to Marketing and click on Coupons. Click on Add Coupon button to add new coupon. Enter the coupon code here, or you can generate coupon code by clicking on here. Enter coupon description. Now we have added new push notification options, and check it if you want to send push notification to all app users. Click on Publish. Let's check on mobile screen. Here we get notification alert.